Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will find out the value of the unknown from the following figure. This is a very important problem, so let's start to solve. Here we can say that here AB and CD, these two lines are parallel. And here we will see that some angles are given. This one is 28, this one 94, this one is CD, and this one is 19 degree. So the question asked to find out the value of the unknown. That means we need to find out the angle CD. So how can you solve? At first, we need to draw another two parallel line here and here. So let's draw these parallel lines. If we draw another two parallel lines at point E and F, we will see that then AB and this parallel line, this line, all lines are parallel. Here we can create some angle. We know that if there are two parallel lines, then and if it is their transversal, then these two angle will be called alternate angle. So by using this idea, we can say that if this one is 28, this angle A degree will be 28 degree. Why? Because of alternate angle. So we can write A degree will be 28 degree. Why we can say that? Because alternate angles. Now, in a similar way, if this one is 19 degree, it must be 19 degree. So, if this one is B, then we can say B degree must be 19 degree. Why? Because the idea of alternate angles. So, we can find out alternate angles from parallel lines. Very simple. Now, look at this. If I want to find out this angle right now, this one, I think you have seen this one properly. This one will be find out by subtracting 28 from 94. So if this one is called D, then we can say D degree will be 94 degree minus AD, because A and D degree will make 94 degree. Since we have already find out the measurement of angle A, so if I substitute the value of angle A here, then we can write 94 minus 28 degree. So after subtracting, we will get the value of D degree. So here it will be 6, then 9 minus 3 will be 6, 66 degree. So D degree will be 66. Again, if this angle is 66 degree, then we can say this measurement must be 66 degree. So we can say E is 66 degree, because we can say that D degree and E degree are alternate angle, because there are two parallel lines and EF, they are transversal. So we can say D degree and E degree must be equal. Okay. So why? Because of the idea of alternate angles. And we know that alternate angles are equal. Right now, E is 66 degree. Now, we can say B is 19, E is 66, and C, this angle, we need to find it out. And these three angles will make 360. Okay, because this three angle will make a complete revolution. So we can write C degree plus E degree plus B degree will make 360 degree. Okay, and what will be the abbreviation here? We can write angles at a point, because all angles will meet at this point and this angle will be 360. Now we need to find out the measurement of C degree, that will be 360 degree minus sum of E and B. Here E is 66 and B is 19 degree. So right now the answer will be 360 minus 9 plus 6, 15, carry 1 to 1. So 6 plus 2, 8, 85 degree. Now we need to subtract 85 from 360 degrees. So here 10 minus 5 will be 5 degree. Then we have 1, 9. Then we'll get 7. And here 3 minus 1 will be 2. 275 degree. will be the value of this measurement. So in this way, we can easily find out this measurement, that is called C, and the value will be 275. I hope you understand this one properly. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah.